What if one AI tool could replace 5 everyday apps? Imagine the convenience. You probably use search engines, notes apps, writing assistants, image tools, and planners daily. Now, there's ChatGPT, a versatile tool that can tackle these tasks. ChatGPT isn't just a simple chatbot. It's evolving rapidly. It can search the web, converse through voice, organize notes, analyze files, understand images, and even manage complex projects. Let's break down how ChatGPT reshapes our digital landscape. First, searching for information. Historically, you'd type questions into a search engine. You'd read multiple links and sift through articles. ChatGPT streamlines this process. You ask it directly, and it provides straightforward answers with sources. It simplifies your search behavior. Next, consider your Notes app. Many people use Notes apps poorly, creating messy collections of thoughts. ChatGPT improves on this. You can input rough notes and ask it to organize them neatly. It transforms chaotic ideas into structured plans. This makes ChatGPT a smarter alternative for note-taking. Now, let's talk about writing. If you use different apps for drafting, rewriting, and polishing text, ChatGPT can already assist. It drafts, summarizes, translates, and more, all in one space. You no longer need to jump between multiple tools. Create, refine, and finalize your writing seamlessly within ChatGPT. What about images? ChatGPT surprises many by combining text and image capabilities. You can generate images and edit photos without leaving the interface. Need a social media graphic? ChatGPT can help create and modify it without requiring specialized design software. Lastly, planning tasks. Traditionally, planners are often just blank templates. ChatGPT changes this narrative by offering structure and guidance. You can break goals into actionable steps or create content calendars, making planning more intuitive. Summarizing the benefits, ChatGPT can replace 5 key app categories. 1. Search tool. 2. Notes helper. 3. Writing assistant. 4. Image tool. 5. Task planner. And that's not all. ChatGPT also supports voice interactions, file analysis, and much more. This versatility makes it a powerful hub for daily tasks. However, don't rush to delete all your apps. Some tasks still require dedicated tools. But for casual use, ChatGPT consolidates many functionalities. This shift changes how we approach daily tasks. Instead of thinking about which app to use, consider if ChatGPT can handle it. This mindset is transformative. As ChatGPT evolves, it becomes a central part of your day. In conclusion, one AI tool like ChatGPT can effectively streamline multiple tasks. It's not just about being efficient, it's about simplifying your daily workflow. Curious to try ChatGPT? Check the link in the description to explore its features today.